Eyes are on the Supreme Court after they agreed to hear a case that will determine whether people who engage with marijuana can own a firearm. This comes after a Texas court ruled the law preventing those who use or are addicted to illegal drugs unconstitutional. News 5's Mara St. Marie is live in the studio after speaking with Bristol residents about their thoughts. Mara, what did you learn?
Well, Janya, according to the Pew Research Center, nearly half of Americans have tried marijuana at least once in 2023. I spoke with entrepreneurs in the gun industry and the cannabis industry about what they thought.
Just because you smoke marijuana doesn't mean that you shouldn't be able to defend yourself.
Every firearm purchase must be approved by answering a series of questions. One being,
are you an unlawful user of or addicted to marijuana?
Now, the Supreme Court is set to decide whether or not it is unconstitutional to prevent a marijuana user from owning a gun. Alan Dodson has owned Ape Tactical Firearms and Gunsmithing in Bristol for 4 years.
My dad was in the military, and I grew up as a military family, so we had guns around all the time.
He says federally criminalized marijuana is outdated, along with the rule.
The time has come. Things have changed. You know, when you can drive down through the city of Bristol, Virginia, and see dispensaries for marijuana on the street corners.
If it were federally decriminalized, they should still have a right to guns as well.
Oh, absolutely.
Brandon Garden owns Best Buds, a cannabis club in Southwest Virginia.
I've just always, had a green thumb, as well as, I've always, advocated for, cannabis usage and all its benefits.
For Garden, it's less about marijuana usage and more about the right to bear arms.
I think everyone, should be able to, possess a firearm. It's our Second Amendment right.
He also says this is a matter of Fourth Amendment rights, which protects citizens from unlawful searches or seizures.
In the comfort of their own home, consuming the products. I just don't think, the government should have any say in that.
Nearly every person I spoke with compared marijuana usage with alcohol consumption.
Compared to alcohol, we don't have a question on our Form 4473. It just says, do you use alcohol to excess?
In the filing, attorneys address the importance of continuing restriction of firearm usage under the influence. The case is expected to be heard in early 2026. In Bristol, Mara St. Marie, News 5 WCYB.